Water is the lifeblood of every industrial facility. From cooling systems to cleaning processes, industries depend heavily on it. But with rising water scarcity, conserving this precious resource is more important than ever. One of the simplest strategies? Fix leaks and drips. Even a small leak can waste thousands of liters over time. Next, reuse and recycle water. Closed-loop cooling systems and wastewater treatment plants allow industries to use the same water multiple times, reducing dependency on fresh supplies. Smart monitoring systems help track consumption, detect inefficiencies, and ensure water is used only where it's truly needed. Adopting efficient cleaning technologies can cut water use drastically without compromising hygiene or productivity. By conserving water, industrial facilities not only save costs, but also protect the planet for future generations. Every drop saved makes a difference.